Hi, Dimple here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the headlines. Science Express leaves Mangalore after unfurling scientific world. In-service trainees of Vishwas Trust awarded certificate in a simple ceremony. Foundation stone laid for Employment Information and Guidance Bureau of Mangalore University. Heart care camp inaugurated at Father Muller Hospital. Hogenakkal issue. Tamil Nadu buses provided with special security. And in our entertainment bash, we have Kodal Group singing at Konkani Nirantari.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
News in detail. Science Express, an exhibition on train, chugged into Mangalore Central Railway Station carrying a huge amount of scientific knowledge on Saturday, March 29th, left the city on Monday, April 1st. During its stay in Mangalore, thousands of students and elders visited the train to update themselves with exciting scientific world. We have an exclusive report on this. The train contains a total of 16 coaches, out of which 13 coaches have been reserved for science exhibition. Of them, 12 coaches have been designed by Max Planck Society of London and one by BASF. Majority of the coaches contain information and demonstration about physics, and the rest of them are on life sciences. The train began its journey on October 27, 2007, flagged off by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. It chugged through 44 places across India before reaching the city. The train completed its 100 days of journey at Howrah. The train is slated to travel a total of 57 places in 217 days before concluding its journey. The Science Express car contains interesting information about Mars rover, languages which are on the brink of extinction in many parts of the world, use of computers in the scientific world, the concept of future cars, and many more. BASF has designed a kids lab in the car to facilitate the students to participate in experiments. The concept selected by BASF is Impact of Chemistry on Modern Life. The personnel of Vikram A. Sarabhai Community Science Center of Ahmedabad are engaged in the task of explaining the various concepts of science in the car. It is a thrilling experience for them to interact with various kinds of students from all over India, they said. According to Prachi, one of the personnel here, they faced language problems in many parts of India, but were still able to get the message across.
Develop interest among the children towards the chemistry, and also to make them aware how the chemicals are useful in daily life. And also we want the students to take up career in science and also chemistry. That is the whole purpose.
Eminent scientist Dr. Kasturi Ranjan inaugurated the science exhibition in Mangalore on Saturday, March 29. Speaking on the occasion, he said that lots of development has taken place in the scientific field today and various branches of science are disappearing. On the other hand, barriers between these branches are breaking up and the branches are merging. This is a good sign of development, he opined. Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao presided over the function. Dr. K.V. Rao, Director of Pilikula Science Center, State Pollution Control Board President Sharat Chandra, BASF National President Prasad Chandra, P.P. Shetty, Senior General Manager of BASF, and others were present on the occasion. It is a wonderful measure by the government to spread awareness about the exciting scientific world among children. Vishwas Trust, under the leadership of inspiring and untiring Olinda Pereira, has been rendering yeoman's service to senior citizens through various services, prominent among them being the helpline for senior citizens. It also trains people for efficiency in geriatric services. The first batch of part-time in-service trainees was awarded certificate on Monday, April 1st evening. 25 in-service trainees of Vishwas Trust were awarded certificate at a simple function held in Vishwas premises at Valencia on Tuesday, April 1st evening by Ida D'Souza, head of MSW Department of St. Aloysius College.
ವಯಸ್ಸು ಆಗಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಲಿರುವವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಒಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಾವು ವೃದ್ಧರಾಗುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 30-40 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಬೆಳೆಸೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಣ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
It is for the first time the trainees were offered part-time training. Out of the 25 trainees, most of the trainees were working. While theory classes were conducted in Family Service Agency of School of Social Work, Roshni Nilaya, practical classes were offered at Geriatric Department of KMC Attawar and by Little Sisters of Poor at Bajodi. Vishwas Trust Director Olinda Pereira, trustees and staff of Vishwas were present on the occasion. Jacinta Machado welcomed the gathering while Lavina Rego introduced the chief guest. Felsi Pinto proposed the vote of thanks. Trainees shared their experience with gathering on the occasion. We still have lot more news and entertainment in our kitty. But before that, let me take a short commercial break. I will be back in a few minutes.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
बहरेनार आणि मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची वेवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, तिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मँगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.
Welcome back after the break. Union Minister Oscar Fernandez laid foundation stone for Employment Information and Guidance Bureau of Mangalore University on Monday, April 1st. The new bureau building will be constructed at a cost of rupees 75.74 lakh, funded by the career guidance fee collected from the students. Plans are on the anvil to set up 50,000 vocational training schools in the country for owning the skills of youth in employment-based ventures. This was revealed by Union Minister for Labour, Oscar Fernandes, who was in the city to lay the foundation stone for a building for the Employment Information and Guidance Bureau of Mangalore University here on Tuesday, April 1st.
ಬಡತನ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಅಸ್ತ್ರ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಅರ್ಧ ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Indian minister going with a begging bowl. Why did India face this situation? I repeatedly ask when I meet the Western friends. I tell them, you plundered India and left us poor, and then call us that we go with a begging bowl. We'll stand on our own. And today, there is a remarkable change from that scenario to the situation we are facing today. ಬಡತನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಬಡತನ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಮಂತ್ರ. 26%, 27% ಜನರು ಬಡತನ ರೇಖೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜನರು ಬಡತನದಿಂದ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ತರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಬೇಕು.
The vocational school will be part of central government's plan to launch Skill Mission for the benefit of youth. Discussions to this effect have been already made at a meeting with Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram in New Delhi, he added. Moreover, talks are going on with industry officials to implement the mission, though no date has been decided upon for the launch of the mission. Apart from Skill Mission, plans are also afoot to set up 1,500 industrial training institutes in select taluk all over the country. Later, at an interaction session with the students, Fernandes urged the students to fight against corruption and make optimum use of Right to Information Act. Responding to a request by University Vice Chancellor K. M. Kaverappa to provide funds for improving the university's infrastructure, Fernandes said that the funds will be allotted soon. Among those present were University's Registrar Sundar Nayak and Employment Guidance Center Director Professor A. K. Baradol. A month-long heart care camp was inaugurated by Father Muller's Hospital on Wednesday, April 2nd morning. Mayor Ganesh Hosabettu inaugurated the camp at the Conference Hall of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. The month-long heart care camp is being organized by the Department of Cardiology and Cardiac Surgery of City's Father Muller Medical College Hospital. Speaking on the occasion, Mayor Ganesh Hosabettu said that Mangalore City Corporation has taken all necessary measures to ensure better governance by addressing problems faced by the city effectively.
ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಿರಂತರವಾದ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಏನು ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡದೆ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪಕಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸೇವಾ ಮನೋಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸಿ ನಾವು ನೀರಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ತುಂಬೆಯಿಂದ ಪಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ನೀರು 23 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲನ್ ನೀರು ಫರ್ ಡೇ ಪಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮುಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಕೇವಲ 18 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲನ್ ನೀರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಮುಟ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಕದಿಯುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮನೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ವೈಡನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಹಲವಾರು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಇದು ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
The camp is conducted mainly to inform general public about heart-related complications, said Father Patrick Rodriguez, director of Father Muller College Institutions, in his presidential address. Satish Kumar, SP of Dakshina Kannada district, also spoke on the occasion. Father Dennis Dissa introduced the chief guest and the inaugurator. Students, faculty of the institution and others were present on the occasion. Water, which is the lifeline of humanity, has umpteen times before the bone of contention. When it comes to neighbouring states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, it has always been the Kaveri water issue, which despite several efforts still remains unresolved. After the infamous Kaveri issue, which led to the destruction of property and life in the early 90s, the issue has once again cropped up with the Hogenakkal drinking water project of Tamil Nadu. Karnataka Rakshana Vedike is leading the protest against Tamil Nadu. Following this, special security has been provided to Tamil Nadu buses along the way. Buses playing to Tamil Nadu are provided with special security following strong protests launched across the state by Kannada Rakshana Vedike with regard to the burning Hogenakal drinking project issue. While Kannada Rakshana Vedike activists blackened the Kolnur Salem bus at Udupi, police escorted the bus in the city limits in Mangalore. This is what we had for you in our news section. We still have our enthralling entertainment section. Before plunging into the world of total entertainment, we will take another short break.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ, ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಿಂಗಿತವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ಗುತ್ತು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 24924117.
ಜಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೋಷ ಈ ದೋಷ, ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮೇಲೇಳುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ, ಅಣ್ಣವರ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ನೀಡಪ್ಪ, ಬಾರ್ಲಾ.
ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳ ಖರೀದಿ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧ.
For anything and everything in real estate, property, real estate and developers, Mangalore.